everyone, it's Phoebe, and today we're going to be opening up some more LOL Surprise. In here are some LOLs that I actually traded for recently, and in here are two mystery ones. One of them is a gold ball, which I'm excited to see who it is because I haven't actually opened a gold ball yet this series. I've only opened the kind of like rose goldy one that Sugar and Spice came in, so I'm looking forward to that. And then I have this 3-pack, and I'll say a little bit more about the 3-pack when we get close to it, but I think it makes sense to start off with this package. If you are collecting LOL dolls, I highly recommend you get one of your parents to sign up for a Facebook group where you can trade. This is an easy way to get rid of your duplicates and also trade them for the ones that you do want. So, what's this? Oh, that's so sweet of her. She sent me a Num Noms magnet. Aw, I had no idea. So this is just a random person I found on Facebook. Oh my gosh, she sent me several things. Wow. Well, thanks, Carla. Cool. I don't have this one. This is the Cola. She sent me like a Halloween pencil. Let's see. Some stickers. Holy cow, she really went all out. An eraser wheel. How did she know I love Num Noms so much? Okay, so this was the main one that I purchased. I traded, let's see, who did I give her? I gave her Pink Baby and Posh, and I traded for Kix, who is actually really, really cute. I didn't expect her to be this adorable. So there's Kix, and I think there's probably stuff for her in here. Yep, there's a bottle for her, and she has a little headband. I think that there's a Charm Fizz soccer ball. So here's Kix in her headband. I believe that there is a Charm Fizz soccer ball, so I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for that. Very cute. And the other one that I got was, I believe that this is Baby Splash Queen. So, a pretty good trade because I got this glittery baby and I got Kix, who I really needed, who is not available in this current wave. And apparently an awesome trade because she was so kind and sent me all of this Num Noms stuff, which I was not expecting at all. What a nice lady. And you guys saw the packaging, she covered it in stickers. Okay, so moving on to the 3-pack. The thing with the 3-pack, for those of you who have not already bought it, is that it has Bon Bon. So you think it's going to be Series 2. It even says Series 2 on it. It is not Series 2. The dolls in this are all Series 1. Now, I was excited when these came out because I actually needed all of the dolls that came in one of the packs, and this is that pack. So we'll start opening it, and then you guys will see who it is, and I'm really excited to see them. These were 2 dolls from Series 1 that I really wanted to get and never did. So like I said, I was really happy when the 3-packs came out, and if you're just starting to collect, it's a good idea. So, I'm not going to spoil who's in each one, but I am going to say that if you look at the barcode, the last 2 letters on this are 1-4, and the other 3-pack is 1-7. So, if you're going to buy 2, make sure that you get 2 different ones, because there are only 2 options, actually, of who it could be. So we got mic check. I do think these clues are from this series though, because the series 1 clues were not really helpful. They didn't really give you any information. You got a hot pink ball. Here's our checklist. We've got a gold bottle with a black top. We've got little black shoes. Do you guys know who it is? Look at that! Oh, that's so cute. I didn't realize that Rocker's shirt was blue and red. That's really weird. Why did I think it was like black and purple? That's so cute. I can't wait to see her. I really, really wanted this one from Series 1. And I was fairly unlucky in Series 1. I bought like 10 balls and like 4 of them were duplicates. Oops. So I actually just traded someone to get Line Dancer. And the last one I really want from that series is, what's her name? The cheer captain. Here she is. Oh, she's so cute. I love this hair. It's just so awesome looking. Here she is. She has this super cute little black pacifier. I love the little shoes on her. They're really cute. Her outfit probably looks the worst from the back of like any outfit I've seen, but from the front, she's super cute. Awesome. Let's keep going. We gotta get the other people out. Fashion forward. Checklist. We've got a blue bottle with a white top. Little white shoes. Look at that. such a cute little dress. This girl was probably like one of my most wanted from the first series. So, yeah, again, I feel like I'm just repeating myself, but I was very, very excited when I found out about these 3 packs and found out about who all came in the same one together. So, a little crown. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, she's so pretty. It's Miss Baby. Here she is. She's so, so cute. I love the blue on her, the blue and white. It just looks so good. Oh, look at how pretty her hair is. That's awesome. You guys want to know something weird that people in this Facebook group were telling me? Was that some of the LOL dolls apparently smell really nice. I've never noticed that before. They all kind of smell the same kind of vinyl-y plastic smell to me. But yeah, apparently some people say that they smell. There are some that smell really nice. Very random. Oh, we got a small clue. It says future star. Okay. We've got, oop, changes color. So these 2 are from Series 2, which I don't know if that was like their logic behind calling them Series 2, but a lot of people were really upset with MGA over this. We got black shoes that I have to say, aren't they the exact same pair of shoes? They look identical to me. So, I don't know what the point in that is. If those are supposed to be for Rocker, which I would assume, they don't go with Miss Baby's outfit. Okay, well, these are at least different. Got a crown for Miss Baby. I think Rocker gets a backpack from her little sister. There it is. You know what? Yeah, I guess it is red and blue. I had no idea. That's cool. Here she is, little Rocker, so cute. Oh, I love her. So, Little Rocker is actually a duplicate for me, which is okay, because the main reason I got this was for the big dolls. But they're both standing And here's Lil Miss Baby. She's cute too. Oh, cool, and she's napping. So, I don't have her yet. She's new. Very cool. You just, I'm not a huge fan of this crown, honestly. It looks kind of silly, but it's still a cool accessory. Alright, scoot them over. Let's grab this ball. So, I've told you guys this before. There's like a flashlight trick where you go somewhere really dark. It's easiest to do in your bathroom, but you go somewhere really dark and you hold a flashlight up to the ball. And you keep kind of searching around. It says fangirl. Okay. And you're searching around. Actually, I think this is going to be a duplicate automatically. Yeah, this is going to be a duplicate, but we'll keep opening it. And you kind of feel around, and you're kind of looking, and then you can see the color, and it's really, I find it really, really difficult to do. I know other people find it difficult to do. Some people have like no issue doing it just because they've done it so many times now. So I tried using the flashlight trick in the store, and it was so difficult for me that I was not good at it. Not good at it at all. Because the other day I went back to Target and they had like 2 brand new cases out on the shelves. So I thought I would go through and try and find the gold ones. And it was hard. My only tip is that, oh, this is going to be midnight. That's a good duplicate to have. So, my only tip is that the gold balls shine the least. That is the only way I've been able to figure it out. These ones are easy, the green ones are easy, because they're both very different colors than gold, so it shows up. Light pink and gold are hard to tell apart, but from what I can tell, the gold ball is just slightly darker than the pink one. So anyway, I was going through the ones that I picked up. Here are her shoes. Here's Midnight. This is what she looks like. She's super cute with her little black and white outfit. Kind of like a maid's outfit, like a French maid outfit. So that's cute. Anyway, what I was saying was I went through all of my balls and had such a hard time. Like I probably spent like an hour trying to figure this out. So I kept going, and then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna figure out which ones I think are gold, and then I'm gonna cut. So what I ended up doing is I ended up cutting one of each color. That way it would be like easier for me to figure out like which one I had. So I did that. We've got Shine Bright Like a Diamond. Cool. The gold I want the most is the Queen. I want the Queen really bad. The Queen's supposed to be like the king, like Elvis. I just think it's really cute. Checklist. Our gold ball. Alright, time to figure out who it is. Ooh! Look at that! It's so shiny. I think this is going to be the queen, actually. Ooh! I'm excited to see this one. In wave 1, I got Splash Queen, so I still need to get Lux, Kitty Queen, and if I'm right, and this is the queen, I think we need Sugar Queen. Yes, look at that! It's so cool, it's so shiny. Oh, I love this little Elvis baby. Do you guys know that they're coming out with a glitter series? Possibly by the time I upload this, I'll have already opened some, but I did manage to order one. Someone said that they are coming to Target, but right now they're just at Toys R Us. It's a cape. Cool. Look at her! Where's her body? Ready? Look at that little Elvis hair. Here is the queen. She's really cute. I really love her. The amount of glitter that's coming off on me is kind of ridiculous. You guys can't see it back here, but I'm like, my shirt is covered in glitter, my legs are covered in glitter, my pants, and there's like a ton on the floor. So yeah, the little shorts are especially, there's just like tons of glitter coming off of them. But I'm really happy to have the queen to add to my collection. We got lots of really cool ones today. Finally got to open up my 3-pack. And we got little Kicks and little Splash Queen. So, super, super awesome. And of course, the really nice lady sent me all those Num Num things, which is so awesome. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Please give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!